In this video, you will learn how to back up your Guarda wallet. Let's get started. First, I enter the password of this wallet to unlock it. Then I go to Settings tab. I go to Download Backups. Here you have two options: download backup file and copy backup text. First, let's start with backup text. When I click on backup text, the backup text will be copied. Then you can paste it in a notepad and save this notepad in several hardwares like USB flashes and keep them in a safe place. I give it a name, Guarda Backup. The second option is to download backup file. Download the backup file. In this option, you will receive a file and you should store this file like backup text in several USB flashes or several places in your computer hardware drive. In Guarda mobile app, again I should enter the password for this wallet. After that, my wallet is unlocked. I go to Settings tab at the bottom of the app. Click on Backup. Here again I have two options: copy code and export as a file. Here again you can copy this code and paste it in a note and store it in several places in your phone and some external hardwares. The second option is export as a file. Here you click on export as a file and you download the backup file into your phone. Make some copies of this backup file. Thanks for choosing this channel and this video to watch.